morning, students. So in previous class I started 3.4 and also I completed first main first two questions. So now I will start question number 3. First main question number 3, we are discussing about finding the solutions of pair of linear equations in two variables by using very important, that is elimination method. And I told you, so these four questions you have to calculate both elimination and as well as substitution method. So take a substitution method as a homework questions. All four questions you have to solve by using substitution method and verify what I solved. Same answers definitely we get. Question number 3 now. So 3x minus 5y minus 4 is equal to 0 and 9x is equal to 2y plus 7. So first you have to check the pair of linear equations in two variables in the standard form or not. This first one, no problem. 3x minus 5y minus 4 is equal to 0. Second one, 9x minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0 or is equal to 4 you write, no problem, or is equal to 7 you write, but don't write is equal to 0 afterwards. Okay. Yes, the value of a1 is equal to 3, b1 minus 5, c1 minus 4. The value of a2 is equal to 9, b2 is equal to minus 2, c2 is equal to 7. Let's check one by one. a1 by a2 is equal to 3 by 9, that is equal to 1 by 3. b1 by b2 is equal to minus 5 divided by minus 2. Minus gets cancels, 5 by 2. So no doubt clearly as a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. So this implies intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. What about solution? Exactly one solution. Exactly one solution. This is first part, this is compulsory. Now let's see. Second part, I mean finding the solution. That's a 3x minus 5y. Yes, I will send 4 towards RHS side, it will become plus 4. This one, call it as 1. So second one, 9x minus 2y is equal to 4. This one, call it as 2. So I told you in previous class, so coefficient of x in the equation number 1, that is 3. So multiply equation 2 by 3, then x will eliminate. Coefficient of x in the second equation, that is 9. So multiply equation 1 by 9. Otherwise, multiply equation 2 by 5 and equation 1 by 2, then y will eliminate. So 9 3 is 27x minus 9 5 is 45y is equal to 9 4 is 36. 3 9 is 27x minus 3 2 is 6y is equal to 3 7 is 21. As subtract minus, this minus will become plus, a plus is there, minus gets cancels. Minus 45 plus 6, that is minus 39y. Minus 45 plus 6 minus 39y. So 36 minus 21, that is 5, that's 15. Okay, now therefore y is equal to minus 15 by 39. Therefore y is equal to, both 15 and 39 are multiples of 3. So minus 3 5 ja, as 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja. So the value of y is equal to minus 5 divided by 30. Okay. Now as from any one equation 1, from equation 1, as this one, 3x minus 5, y value minus 5 by 13 is equal to 4. As 3x minus into minus plus, 5 5 is 25 by 13 is equal to 4. Therefore 3x is equal to 4 minus 25 by 13. Therefore, 3x is equal to, take LCM, 13 is the LCM, 1 13 ja, 13 4 ja, 52 minus 25. Therefore, 3x is equal to difference 27 by 13. Therefore, x is equal to 27 divided by 3 into 13. So, 3 1 ja, 3 9 ja. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 9 divided by 13. Okay. So, answer looks very lengthy, but procedure is very simple. Yes, please note down. Okay. Yes. Let's see first May, last question, fourth one. First May, fourth question. Again, same method. First, you have to check the nature of the equations. Then you start find the values of x and y. Yes. Fourth one, x by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equal to minus 1. Yes. Next, x minus y by 3 is equal to 3. Again, as usual, implies a1 coefficient of x 1 by 2, b1 coefficient of y 2 by 3, c1 not required, no problem. Yes, the value of a2 is equal to coefficient of x, that is 1. So b1 is equal to minus 1 by 3. So a1 by a2 is equal to 1 by 2 divided by 1. So this is equal to 1 by 2. As b1 by b2 is equal to 2 by 3 divided by minus 1 by 3. So this is equal to 2 by 3 into 3 by minus 1, just cancels. So this is equal to minus 2 by 1. Therefore, clearly no doubt, a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Yes, again as usual, as lines are intersecting lines. Yes, what about solution? Exactly one solution. Exactly one solution. Now, next, convert these two equations in the form of again a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and second one a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Let's take LCM. 6 is the LCM. 2 3 ja 3x, 3 2 ja 2 into 2 4y is equal to minus 1. Next, 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. Now this one correct as 1. Next, coming to second one, so this implies just 3 LCM. Here denominator 1, 1 3 ja, that's 3x minus 3 1 ja, that is y is equal to 3. Therefore, 3x minus y is equal to 9. So this one correct as 2. As from 1 and 2 now. As from 1 and 2. As first one, 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. Second one, 3x minus y is equal to 9. That's very simple. As only you have to do subtract, because coefficient of x in both the equation is same. As here minus, so they will become plus, so it will become minus, gets cancels. Plus 4 plus 1, that is plus 5y is equal to minus 15. Therefore, y is equal to minus 15 by 5. Therefore, the value of y is equal to, that's very simple, that is minus 3. As from as equation as 2 you take this, no problem, anyone. As 3x minus y minus of minus 3 is equal to 9. Therefore, 3x plus 3 is equal to 9. Therefore, 3x is equal to 9 minus 3. Therefore, 3x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 by 3. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 2 and the value of y is equal to minus 3. Okay, so this is first main 4th questions. As remaining questions I will start in the next video class. Thank you.